Welcome to your channel once again, where we talk about crypto mining and crypto airdrops and other investments about crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money online together. In today's video, we're talking about the second space token, the SDS. So let's just start like this. You click on the start button. If you're not from America, you're not from Hong Kong, you're not from Japan, you're not from Singapore, and you're not from Vietnam, definitely just click on the global. Once you click on the global, it's going to download the app to your phone directly. Once the app is downloaded on your phone, you just install it. Once you install it, you open the app, you come right to the start registration as a new user. So you put in your email address, put in the 6 digits password, you confirm the password, then you put in a captain ID, that's the referral code. Then you just click on the register. So as you can see, I'm on the app now. Wow, it's a brand new style because I haven't seen this in a long while. So let's just check out the style and let's see how it works. So let's enjoy the ride together. Let's go to the summon first. So once you click on the summon button, as you can see on the screen, because I used a referral code, that's why I'm getting 0.6k. So once you use my referral code also, you definitely get 0.6k. So now you can do some other tags to get more, like follow them on Twitter, newcomer tags, invite level 1, invite level 2. So doing all that will boost your earning rate. So if you click on the backpack, as you can see, they said sorry, this feature is not available. Let's check on the detection. Okay, the detection, I can see a lunar probe, creatine, mercury probe, gold probe. I definitely don't know anything about all this, but I'm going to study them and come back to give you more updates on this site. So let's go to the material. Sorry, this feature is not available. And of course the team. So if you have any referral from level 1, level 2, definitely they'll be showing on this team. So when we go back to the SDS now, at least you can see I have some airdrops. So let me just click on receive. So once I click on receive, it said receive successfully. As you can see, it's reflect up here. So that's how I guess we're going to be claiming our airdrops every day. So if there's any updates on this app, I'm going to bring it to you. And when you go to the site, you see a blueprint, a white book, and the Twitter account. I guess you need to just download the white book. I need to check their Twitter account for more updates on them. I'll be putting all the links to the site, to the app, and my captain ID in the description below. Make sure you do your own findings about them. If I've added value to you, please click on the like button and share the video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe for more tips like this. And as I always say, this is not a financial advice. I'm just bringing you an update on what could probably make us money together. I want to bring a little tip about the P network, that's PHI network. It's kind of new, but most of those coins, when they are new, they tend to give out higher rewards. So if you don't jump on them very early, you may be late to get their benefits. As you can see on the screen, I'm just going to be tapping to earn for the next 24 hours. So now I'm going to be clicking on the wallet icon. When I click on the wallet icon, you can see unverified balance and transfer balance to mainnet. So now we are on the unverified balance because we need to do the KYC before we transfer to the mainnet. But I'm not sure the KYC is out yet, so we're still waiting for the update. As soon as the update comes out, I'm definitely going to dish it out to you guys. And you can see it's using Smart Chain and Ethereum main network and the PHI network also. Let's just check out their Twitter account to see what they have in stock. So now on their Twitter account, you can see they are verified and they have 25k users already. So you just check through their Twitter account to get more updates. And you can see they have 50,000 downloads already. I'll also be putting the links to all this in the description below. So if you're not mining yet, just jump on it and mine also. Let's wait for the good news. And if you're already mining, just wait for the update. On the mine section, you can see how everything is being calculated. So just stay tuned to the channel, join the Telegram community to get more info updates. See you on the next one. I love you all.